Welcome to Warrior Work. I'm Coach Hill, and today we're going to share with you the Earth form from the Wudang 5-element form. The Earth form is a great form. It emphasizes heaviness of movement. All of the 5-element forms really relate to the Kempo 5 animals: the dragon, or the tiger, the crane, the leopard, the dragon, the snake. In the 5 Wudang forms, you have wood, water, fire, earth, and air. And they really kind of go from yin to yang, or from oak to willow. Earth is very heavy, very yin. When I think of these forms, I really think of the boxers Hagler and Leonard. Marvin Hagler, very much a earth fighter, very heavy, very rooted, very solid. And then you have Sugar Ray Leonard, who was a very air, water, move all over, hard to hit kind of fighter. So in learning all 5 of these forms and in practicing just the different elements of them, you can start to help to discern those elements within yourself. So I'm going to work on talking as I take you through the earth form. Again, earth form, very heavy. So you always want to remember to relax and sink, hips tucked, breathe, sink, step. It's a very slower, heavier form. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Hungar also. Starts off with the same ward off, roll back, press, pull, push, but note the feet stay flat and rooted on the ground. Our circle right and left, crane, single whip. From here we move into the 8 trigrams. We have our 4 corners first with splitting, or part the wild horse's mane. And we're walking these 4 corners in a counterclockwise pattern. Catching the ball, going back to 3, ward off, roll back, press, pull, push. We change to the pop, pop, crane hands. We now move into the 4 cardinal directions with Fair Lady shuttles or energy shuttle. And again, open stepping. And back to our ward off, roll back, press, pull, push. Reverting to our outward circles again. Our wave hands like clouds again is very heavy and very rooted in this form. Outward circles. We have fisherman rowing the boat, which is a modified snake creeps down. We then rooster stands on one leg, both sides, and we move into repulse monkey. Note that we're using a side palm, and we can also use the knee up. We then close with an avalanche. Again, feet stays rooted, step up, harmonize, set. So the earth form, again, you can see it has a lot of the same patterns the other forms do. Again, it reminds me of very Kempo oriented. again, Tai Chi Chuan Fa being the Chinese name for Kempo. And you have the same patterns, just done with different animal spirits or different element spirits to practice on getting the whole circumference of your personality and your skills so that you can catch those and map those out as you need to. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time in Warrior Work.